Living a luxury life should not necessarily be expensive. It should be affordable, it should be classy, it should be in a serene environment, and having an instant access to the environment. And if it's having a plus like Urban Prime 3, it will be a minute or 2 minutes drive to the beach. Hi smart investors, my name is Ahmed Lawal, I'm the lead consultant for Property Lab Nigeria. Today we are at Urban Prime 3, an estate that houses 3-bedroom terrace with a standard BQ. So let's go inside and have an inspection of this wonderful estate. But before going inside, I would like us to start our journey of inspection from Adesanya down to this estate so that we can see the landmarks of this wonderful estate. Join me as we go on this wonderful tour. Ogombo Road. So this is the road they call Adesanya Ogombo Road. This is where you are going to find the Urban Prime 3. And so I will be showing you the landmarks along the way as we are going. This is Adesanya estate. Yeah, this Adesanya estate fence. So going straight down. So along this road, having this is where you find Urban Prime 1, Urban Prime 2, Urban Prime 3, Urban Prime 4. So all the Urban Primes, they are on the same road. This Adesanya to Ogombo Road. So there are a lot of activities along the road. Hotels, businesses. This is OBN. This is OBN Academy. This is a basketball academy. So this is Adesanya, I think second gate or something. So going straight down, and by the right, this is the Mother and Child Hospital for pregnant women and the kids, maternal and the child center. And by the left, this is Urban Prime 4. This is Urban Prime 4. You can see. So they are still on the same road. This is Urban Prime 4. And as I showed you, this is Mother and Child. Mother and Child Maternity. So this is Life Estate. This is one of the estates. So as we keep going, we'll be seeing the landmarks till we get to Urban Prime 3. So this is Inoyo Havens, one of the estates, and this is Lekki Peninsula Scheme 2. So this is Lekki Scheme 2, where they normally call Lekki Scheme 2. This is Lekki Scheme 2. That's Lekki Scheme 2. Lekki Scheme 2. And let's keep going. We're seeing the landmarks. So this is Chaplain Court estate. Here we go. So this is, by my left, this is Urban Prime 1. By my left, this is Urban Prime 1. And by my right, this is Urban Prime 2. You can see Urban Prime 1, Urban Prime 2. You can see along the same road, Adesanya to Ogombo Road. So you can see the road. It's a third road, well developed, and along the road you see furniture guys along the road. So we're still going down. So you can see. So this junction is the junction that leads to the beach. So we can see the signboards: Barracuda Beach, Inoyo Beach Island. So if you are going towards the beach, so you go by the right like this. So that's where it goes to the beach. And so from that junction to the beach is like 2 minutes to the beach. And here we go. So this is the Onyx. You can see this is the Onyx Urban Prime 3 Phase 2, and this is Urban Prime 3. So here we are at Urban Prime 3. So let's go inside. So this is Urban Prime 3. Yeah. So here we are at Urban Prime 3. brief inspection about the environment. Let's see the buildings and the structures around before we go inside the 3-bedroom terrace duplex with the standard BQ that goes for 69.8 million for 6 months payment and after payment. So let's see the vicinity. Let's see the environment. So let's start with this. This is the gym house. This is the gym house. This is where the gym house will be for the estate, where people can have their exercise and have their exercise, daily exercise. So the place is. So this is the gym house. So this is the gym house. So not yet to pick door, but this is going to be the gym house. So this is the gym house of the Barracuda 3. So let's go and let's see other places. Okay, so let's go inside. Yeah, it's a smart door. So this is inside the 3-bedroom terrace plus standard BQ of a Barracuda 3. So this is the sitting room. So the sitting room, and you can see it's spacious. Look at the POP, the aesthetics, and the way it's well organized. So this is the sitting room. This is the dining. This is the dining. So the dining, and this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is well packaged kitchen. This is the kitchen. Yeah. So this is the balcony. This is the down balcony. See, so you can see you can have your grilling machine here. You want to do your grilling, weekend grilling, backyard grilling. You can do your grilling here. You can be having your map here. So this is the backyard. So let's go in. Okay, let's check here. So this can serve as a store. This is a mini store. Can make this place as a mini store. So back to the dining and the sitting room. So let's go up and okay, let's check. This is the visitors restroom. This is the visitors restroom. You can see this is the visitors restroom. Yeah. So let's go up and have a look at the 3-bedroom upstairs with the standard BQ. So look, you can see the you can see the walls. You can see the finishing is top notch. When we talk about designs, top notch buildings, top notch architectural designs, Landway is the boss. So you can see, so this is the family lounge. This is the family lounge that the family members can have their they can stay here, they can have their discussion here. This is the family lounge that is up, and you can see this is the master bedroom. You can see the master bedroom. It's the master bedroom. This is the restroom. Yeah. So you can see beauty. This is design. That's why I said luxury should not be expensive. This is Urban Prime 3. So this is the sitting room. This is the master bedroom. So let's go to the other rooms. So this is a store. This can be a store. So this is the second room. As you can see, this is the second room. And this is the toilet and the bedroom of the room. You can see. Then let's go to the third room. This is the third room, and this is the toilet and the bedroom. This is the toilet and the bedroom. Look at the wardrobe. So this goes for 69.8 million naira, 6 months on outright payment, and 74.6 million naira for 12 months payment plan, or 79.9 million naira for 18 months payment plan. So you can see that. So this is the 3 bedroom are the ones up. You can see. So let's go down again and check the BQ. So this is luxury. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And look at one of my best games. I love this game. Chess. So let's go. So let's go and check the BQ. So we have so let's check the BQ. So let's go to the BQ. So this is the BQ. You know, I said the standard BQ. This is a standard BQ. A BQ that has the sitting room. There's a BQ. So this is like a mini kitchen. This is the toilets and the bedroom of the BQ. And this is the room. This is the standard BQ. So it goes for 69.8 million naira for outright payment and 6 months payment, and 74.6 million naira for 12 months payment, and 79.9 million naira for 18 months payment plan. So this is the BQ. This is the bedroom of the BQ. This is the bedroom of the BQ. This is the bedroom. So this is the wardrobe. It's the wardrobe. This is the wardrobe. So you can see the walls, screeded walls. So this is the standard BQ. You can see the ceiling, the POP, the design, the architectural design is top notch. So this is the tour of inside the 3-bedroom terrace with the standard BQ. So we are inside the BQ. So this is the BQ now. So this is going out of the BQ, and this is the entrance to the main door. So here is where we have the 3-bedroom terrace, and this is where we have the BQ. This is where we have the BQ. So back to the sitting room. Back to the sitting room. So look at this is the doorbell camera. So if anyone comes in, the person press the doorbell, so you're going to see the face. So that's one of the security measures that is inside a bank entry. So you can see the build, you can see the sitting room. So if you want to have a personal inspection, so you can contact the number below on this video to have your own personal inspection, to book your inspection. So we will take you down to this place, and you will have a full inspection of this place, of this wonderful, loving estate of a 3-bedroom terrace duplex with a standard BQ. Thanks.